Title: Trends in the Indian Fashion and Textile Industries. Introduction. Brief overview of the Indian fashion scene in the 1950s, characterized by simplicity, focus on fabric quality, and absence of celebrity designers or labels. 1950s, the era of graceful simplicity. Description of the fashion scene in the 1950s, emphasizing the importance of style and fabric over brand names. Acceptance of custom-made garments and the pride associated with bargains. 1960s, the era of innovation and freedom. Overview of the mischievous and celebratory atmosphere of the 1960s reflected in the arts, music, and fashion. Embrace of innovative materials like plastic and coated polyester. Description of popular fashion trends such as tight-fitting kurtas and high coiffures. 1970s, the era of globalization and synthetics. Increase in the export of traditional materials and introduction of international fashion trends to India. Trend towards synthetic fabrics and influence of disco culture on fashion. 1980s, the rise of designer fashion. Establishment of the first fashion store, Ravissant, in Mumbai and the popularity of American designers like Calvin Klein. Evolution of designer fashion culture and the association of higher prices with elegance. Emergence of competitive fashion shows and marketing strategies. 1990s, the era of economic challenges and revival of ethnic wear. Market contraction and revival of ethnic wear during the recession. Decrease in prices and competitiveness in the fashion industry. Stabilization of the Indian fashion scene. 21st century, resurgence and global demand. Acceleration of the fashion industry with new designers, models, and sensible designs. Global demand for Indian ethnic designs and materials. India's advantages in garment and fabric production, including skilled workforce, cost-effectiveness, and variety of designs. Current market dynamics. Description of India's position as a key player in the global fashion and textile market. Influence of exchange rates on pricing and international demand for Indian craftwork and fabrics. Overview of fabric production centers in India like Chapa and Surat. Conclusion. Summary of the evolution of the Indian fashion and textile industries from simplicity to global influence. Emphasis on India's strengths in garment and fabric production and its significance in the international fashion market.